This is Dominic with safeandvaultstore.com, and I'm going to talk today about the brand RPNB. They've been a great partner for us, and they have a full line of safes for the home. So for your handguns, firearms, paperwork, valuables, and things like that. So we're going to talk about each individual safe and kind of tell you what they're used for. This is the RPNB RP311F. It's great for one handgun if you want quick access. It's got a mounting plate so you can mount it to a desk or under a desk, next to a nightstand. It's got a biometric lock so you can swipe your fingerprint and open it quickly in an emergency. You also have another method of just a keypad here, or you have the key lock here in case you forget your combination or the batteries die. This model is the RPNB RP2008. It's a very popular model. It holds one single handgun, but it could be full-sized. And you do have quick access. It's perfect for next to a nightstand, or you can put it in your vehicle. It also has a biometric lock, a digital keypad, or a key, and it pops open very quickly. This is the RPNB RP2002. And this is a little bit bigger model. It's got a shelf inside, so you can put a firearm in here and then other items like valuables and jewelry and things like that. You can bolt it to a nightstand. You can also put it in a vehicle if you want. It also is biometric, has a keypad and a key lock, and it also has quick entry where it pops open very fast. This is the RPNB RP2005. This is a little bit bigger model, so it has a lot of room inside. You could put a firearm, but other items like valuables and things like that. It's also biometric, so you can swipe your fingerprint, keypad, or key, and it's also quick access. This is the RPNB RP2016. And this is a bigger model for those that have multiple handguns. It can hold 4 inside, and you can bolt it down somewhere like on a shelf, or in a closet or next to your nightstand for quick access. It also has the biometric fingerprint reader, the keypad, or the key lock for quick access. This is the RPNB RP2009. So this is the biggest model in the handgun series. It's got a shelf here that slides out, and you can see it has lots of room inside. It also measures the temperature and the humidity inside on the top here, and it also measures the battery life. You can disable the sound if you didn't want someone to hear it in an emergency. And it also has a keypad on the top here and a biometric fingerprint reader. This is the RPNB RP5FR. This is a rifle safe, perfect for those that have an apartment or you want to put it in a closet. It's nice and narrow. And it'll hold up to 5 long guns. If you have long guns with scopes or rifles with scopes, may not hold as many. It's got quick access keypad here with a biometric lock. And inside, you've got your rack for your long guns, firearms, handguns on the door, a little pouch here for other items, and then a hidden compartment with a key lock to store maybe some valuables or cash. This is the RPNB RPFS66. It's their large biometric fireproof safe. It's got 30 minutes of fire protection for any documents, valuables, things like that. It's got that quick access keypad on here with the biometric reader, and it's just a 4-digit code to open. Door opens, you see there's 2 shelves inside. It can be bolted down to secure it to a solid surface so someone can't take it away. It's great for those that have a little bit of documents and valuables that they want to protect. As you can see, RPNB has quite a bit of different models available for the home, for firearm storage, documents, and valuables. They have even more selection on our website of different options for firearms, for jewelry, for documents, and things like that. If you have any questions about the RPNB safes or any safes on our website, you can visit our website at www.safeandvaultstore.com, or you can call us at 800-207-2259. Thank you for watching.